I wanted to discuss what the official reporter for California appellate court decisions actually is. Believe it or not, California law requires the appointment of what is called a reporter of decisions. And this is the reporter of the decisions of the California Supreme Court, as well as our courts of appeal. Our government code in Title 8, Chapter 3, Article 3 sets forth a reporter of decisions. And Government Code Section 68900 actually requires the California Supreme Court to appoint the reporter of the decisions of the Supreme Court and the courts of appeal. And this official reporter actually serves at the pleasure of the Supreme Court. Government Code Section 68901 specifies the annual salary of the reporter, and that annual salary is set by the Supreme Court and is subject to approval by the chair of the Judicial Council. Section 68902 specifies that the opinions of the Supreme Court, the courts of appeal, and the appellate division of the Superior Court are to be published in these official reports. And then Section 68903 of the Government Code requires the official reports to be published under a contract that's entered into by the state of California by the Chief Justice, the Secretary of State, our Attorney General, and the President of the State Bar with the reporter of decision. Section 68904 requires that contract to be for a period of not less than 2 years, but not more than 7 years. And the actual terms are supposed to be most advantageous to the state and to the general public. And then finally, there's Government Code Section 68905 that requires the publisher to print and publish each volume in the style that's specified in this contract within 60 days of them receiving the manuscript, i.e. the official appellate court decision, and they're supposed to print enough for official state use at a fixed price in the contract, but then also to provide a sufficient number of each of those volumes to meet demands over the next 6 years after publication of the court decision.